Hi, I'm Kishan. Talk about five things should you know. You want to know that before reaching your age 20. The first one is no addiction to land and no addiction to uh, opposite gender. And last is no addiction to drugs. I'm not saying that you should not try. Trying is different. Addiction is different. Uh, if you addict to something or something that you lost your concentration power and confidence, so that no addiction should be avoided. And the second one is no Im- not imitate. Not imitate means you should not imitate that Steve Jobs work, or Bill Gates saying that I want to become a billionaire, or Justin Bieber, like that. Because if you imitate others, you the others will be say that you copying from the Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, like that. So show yourself, your character towards others, and uniqueness. You are you are have a uniqueness, so that so show your uniqueness. And third is give your best. You should give your best, because if you prove to someone who want to know, you should give your fullest, and support to the given work, and give your best. Yeah. If you're doing something, you should give your fullest concentration and confidence to this work. And fourth one is self control. You should have a control towards anything, like using the phones, like that. If you lack your self control, you can lose your confidence. Like consider you going to uh, going to your restaurant, and there is your favorite dishes cooking, so that when you are diet, you should not eat and become fat, so that self control is mandatory. And the fifth one, the last one is a very important thing, because believe yourself. uh, if you if you your parents, relatives, friends, or teachers say that you are waste, or nothing is useless, you are useless, believe yourself, because you should have a confidence towards yourself, that make your goal to success. I repeat all the five things: no addiction, no imitate. I forgot to say that you cannot uh, get a fame like Bill Gates, or Steve Jobs, like that. You should have it to show your talent, and to success, to get a success. The third is give your best. The fourth one is self control. The fifth one is believe yourself. Thanks.